Similar to last year's Apex, the 2019 Apex also concentrates on bringing slim bezels and bigger screen-to-body ratio. The new Apex features a super unibody curved glass design and comes with a 6.39-inch AMOLED display. The phone consists of no headphone jack or USB port. This might arise question related to charging. So now that the Vivo Apex 2019 doesn't come with any ports, how does it charge? The Vivo Apex 2019 can be charged using the rear-mounted magnetic connector, which Vivo calls MagPort, that also helps in data transferring. Considering Vivo Apex doesn't come with any ports, we would have loved Vivo come up with a conventional wireless charger, but that surely hasn't been the case. On the hardware front, the Vivo Apex 2019 is powered by Qualcomm newly announced Snapdragon 855 chipset paired with either 256GB or 512GB of internal storage. Notably, the Apex 2019 is also Vivo's first 5G phone to have been showcased. This clears that the smartphone uses Qualcomm's X55G modem and not X24, which most flagships will be using this year. As far as the camera setup is concerned, the Vivo Apex 2019 comes with two cameras on the back panel, which are placed in the top middle on the back panel. The camera setup is followed by a LED flash. Considering there's no notch and no buttons or no ports, one must be queries about the placement of the selfie camera. Surprisingly, Vivo hasn't spoken about the front camera. There's probably none. On the rear panel, the Vivo Apex consists of a primary sensor of 12MP and secondary sensor of 13MP paired with a LED flash. Another interesting aspect about the Vivo Apex 2019 which must grab all attention is the full display fingerprint sensor technology. Yes, the full display of the Vivo Apex works as a fingerprint sensor to unlock the phone. Touch anywhere on the display and the phone will be unlocked. Another area that Vivo focus on with the Apex 2019 is the audio. The Vivo phone comes with the company's body soundcasting technology that is said to enable the display to work as a speaker and turn offer a seamless audio experience to the users. Vivo had to bring this technology on board considering there are no holes, ports, buttons on this phone.